Yeah, you see that, Alex? I saved all of our apples in a metal basket. And I put it under the tree so it's somewhat protected from the elements. And it has been feeding a whole bunch of different kinds of little critters, birdies and fuzzy critters alike. It makes me happy. They weren't wasted. I've got a whole bunch of cute little buddies out here. And there's a couple juncos hopping around. And here's Alex. He wants to be in the show. Hi, Alex. What's up, buddy? I love it when it snows.
The flicker's out here.
Oh, yeah?
The flicker's out here, baby.
Oh, over there?
No, right there. There's a little red dot showing.
Ooh.
He just came over and got a bite to eat, and he's right there. Oh, he just flew over there to sweat. Oh, and then he flew down. He's right over there, coming up from the bottom branch. Oh, and he disappeared. I was worried. Oh no, there he is right there. I just seen his red. He's right there on the little short branch. Oh, there he goes, right back over here. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes.
Oh, there's our kinglet, you mean. The little kinglet.
Yeah, with the red dot.
Oh. He
Look
just
at it,
went down on the ground.
Oh,
Yeah.
he's right here.
Oh, there
He's
he
right
is.
here, on the bottom of the thing. Bottom of the peanuts.
I can't see him to the plastic, unfortunately.
No.
Shush, sweetie.
Stop it. Go lay down. Back it up.
He flew away. That was cool. I did get a little flash of his little red hat.
He's right here in the branch.
Oh.
Oh, here he is right here. Look at on top of the branch.
Oh, I see him.
So he flashes that thing.
When he's irritated or aggravated.
Huh. I haven't seen
Or
him
if he's
do it
feeling
yet.
feisty.
Yeah.
A lot of times it's when other birds approach him when he's eating.
So like now you would expect him to do it.
Yeah. Come on, little buddy.
Mm-hmm.